Welcome to this quick tutorial to make a lump sum investment using the NIMF Investor app in just a few simple steps, seamlessly and securely from your mobile. Start by opening the NIMF Investor app on your phone and log in using your PAN number. Now enter your MPIN. Once you log in, dashboard page appears, giving you a quick summary of your investments. To begin, just tap the Quick Invest option at the bottom of your home screen and you're all set to continue your lump sum transaction. Explore the list of mutual fund schemes or simply search for the one you have in mind. Found your perfect pick? Just tap the arrow icon and move ahead with your investment journey. Click on Invest Now. Your last transacted folio will be displayed by default. You can also choose to select another folio and proceed ahead. You can select the preferred mode of investment. If you wish to go via direct mode, click on Next instantly. If you wish to go via a broker, click on Distributor and enter the respective details such as ARN number, sub-broker code, sub-broker ARN code and EUIN number. Sub-broker code and sub-broker ARN are not mandatory. Select Scheme Plan and Scheme option. Go ahead and select the Lump Sum Investment option, then enter the amount you want to invest. Minimum amount that can be invested is displayed for each of the scheme below the amount field. Here is a quick summary of the details you have selected for your lump sum investment. Next, you'll complete OTP authentication. Please check the OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email ID. Select the payment mode of your choice. The registered bank at your PAN level will be displayed for investment. 1. Registered mandate. A registered mandate lets you make lump sum purchase instantly. No repeated authentication, just quick and seamless investing. If your folio has multiple mandate, you'll see all of them listed. Just pick one to complete your transaction. Each mandate card also shows its details like mandate type, maximum limit and expiry date. 2. Internet banking. Internet banking lets you invest using your bank login, your bank user ID and password, making lump sum purchases secure and convenient. 3. UPI. UPI makes lump sum investing super easy. Just tap enter your UPI ID and we need to enter UPI ID or scan QR. A request will be sent on our UPI bank apps and investor needs to approve, reject on the bank UPI app to confirm the transaction. 4. NEFT or RTGS. We have an added payment method of NEFT and RTGS. Investors who wish to utilize this payment mode can use the same. 5. Debit card. You will see the debit card option only if your lump sum investment is Rs 20,000 or more and your folio is linked to either ICICI or Federal Bank. And just a heads up, this works only for equity and hybrid schemes. Once you are done with the payment, your lump sum investment gets completed instantly.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.